DJI's Air series, positioned as a bridge between portability and professional-grade performance, has been a cornerstone of this strategy. Now, with the DJI Air 4 rumored for a late 2025 launch, the question looms: are the upgrades substantial enough to justify the hype, or is this just another incremental refresh dressed in marketing flair? Let's discuss the leaks, separate fact from fiction, and evaluate whether the Air 4 deserves its spotlight. If the leaked images of a crashed prototype are genuine, the DJI Air 4 won't stray far from the visual identity of its predecessors. The foldable, compact design, a hallmark of the Air series, remains intact, ensuring it stays travel-friendly. However, subtle refinements suggest DJI is prioritizing durability without sacrificing portability. Thicker arms, a slightly angular body inspired by the upcoming Mavic 4, and a top-mounted LED beacon for low-light visibility hint at a sturdier build. These tweaks could address one of the Air 3's few criticisms. Its lightweight frame occasionally struggled in windy conditions. The absence of dedicated rear obstacle sensors has raised eyebrows, but leaked prototypes reveal 3 top-mounted sensors that allegedly double as rear detectors. This clever repurposing could streamline the drone's design while maintaining 360-degree awareness. While purists might argue dedicated rear sensors are irreplaceable, DJI's track record with AI-driven obstacle systems, seen in the Mini 4 Pro, suggests software enhancements could compensate. The real test will be how well these fused sensors handle complex environments, like dense forest or urban settings, where split-second decisions matter. Here's where the DJI Air 4 could truly shine or stumble. The Air 3's dual-camera system was praised for its versatility, but its 1.3-inch sensor struggled in low light compared to pricier rivals. Rumors suggest the Air 4 will leapfrog this limitation with a 1-inch sensor for its primary wide-angle lens, a move that would align it with the ZenMuse cameras found in DJI's enterprise drones. A larger sensor means better light capture, reduced noise and shadows, and richer dynamic range, critical for photographers and videographers chasing sunset shots or nightscapes. Adding fuel to the fire are whispers of a mechanical shutter, a rarity in consumer drones. Mechanical shutters eliminate the jello effect during high-speed pans or when capturing fast-moving subjects, think racing cars or athletes. For mapping professionals or real estate photographers, this could be a game-changer, ensuring crisp, distortion-free stills. Paired with a variable aperture, the drone would grant creators precise control over depth of field and exposure without relying on ND filters. Imagine blurring a cluttered background to highlight a subject mid-flight, or adjusting aperture to balance a bright sky with a shadowy landscape, all in real time. Then there's the 6K question. If the Air 4 supports 6K video, as multiple leaks suggest, it would outpace the Air 3's 4K/60 FPS capabilities, offering creators more flexibility in cropping and stabilization during post-production. But 6K isn't just about resolution. It's a demand for better processing power, heat management, and storage. Can the Air 4's rumored O4 Plus transmission system handle 6K live feeds without latency? And will the average user, often limited by 4K displays and social media compression, notice the difference? The answers could determine whether this feature is a headline grabber or a genuine tool for pros. The DJI Air 3's 46-minute flight time set a high benchmark, and the Air 4 is rumored to push this to 50 minutes. While a 4-minute increase seems modest, it translates to 10% more airtime, enough to capture that extra establishing shot or wait out a sudden gust of wind. This boost likely stems from a combination of higher capacity batteries and efficiency gains in the propulsion system. For commercial operators surveying large sites or content creators filming time-sensitive events, those minutes could be invaluable. Less discussed but equally critical is the rumored O4 Plus transmission system. DJI's OcuSync technology has long been a gold standard, offering reliable feeds even in congested urban areas. The O4 Plus could extend the Air 4's range to 15 kilometers, up from the Air 3's 12 kilometers, while supporting higher resolution live views. For rural photographers or adventurers chasing distant landscapes, this added range reduces the anxiety of signal dropouts. However, regulatory restrictions in regions like the EU and the US, where drone operators must maintain a visual line of sight, might render ultra-long-range capabilities a niche selling point. The Air 3's active track and waypoint modes were competent, but early rumors suggest the Air 4 will leverage AI to make these tools more intuitive. Think of a tracking system that not only follows a subject but predicts their movements, say a snowboarder weaving through trees or a dancer improvising a routine. Leaks also hint at cinematic presets that automate complex shots, like orbiting a subject while simultaneously adjusting altitude and camera tilt. For solo creators, this could mimic the effect of a two-person crew, democratizing high-end filmmaking techniques. Another underrated upgrade could lie in the drone's object recognition. Improved AI might allow the Air 4 to distinguish between humans, animals, and static obstacles, adjusting its flight path accordingly. This would be a boon for wildlife documentarians or event photographers working in dynamic environments. However, as with all AI-driven features, real-world performance will depend on the training data behind the algorithms. If the system misidentifies a tree branch as a non-threat, the results could be costly. The DJI Air 3 launched at $1,099, a price point that positioned it as a premium mid-tier option. Leaks suggest the upcoming Air 4 will start between $1,199 and $1,299, with Fly More combos reaching up to $1,599. This brings it closer to the Mavic 3 Classic's $1,599 tag, which offers a superior Hasselblad camera but lacks the Air series portability. For hobbyists, the answer might be no. The Air 3 remains a capable machine, and the Mini 4 Pro offers comparable features in a lighter package. But for semi-professionals, wedding photographers, indie filmmakers, or surveyors, the Air 4's larger sensor, mechanical shutter, and extended flight time could streamline workflows enough to warrant the investment. The variable aperture alone might save hours of post-processing by nailing exposure and camera. The Air 4 won't exist in a vacuum. DJI's own Mini 4 Pro, despite its sub-250-gram weight, offers 4K 100 frames per second video and a rotating gimbal for vertical shots, features tailor-made for social media creators. Meanwhile, Autel's Evo Nano Plus undercuts on price while packing a 1x1.28-inch sensor and 50-megapixel stills. However, neither competitor matches the Air 4's rumored 1-inch sensor or 6K capabilities. The Air 4's true rival might be its predecessor. With used Air 3 units likely flooding the market post-launch, budget-conscious buyers could snag a last-gen bargain. DJI's challenge is to make the Air 4's upgrades indispensable rather than optional. To be honest, the DJI Air 4 isn't reinventing the drone. Instead, it's refining the formula: stronger materials, smarter software, and a camera system that inches closer to professional gear. For creators who've maxed out the Air 3's capabilities, the upgrades will feel meaningful. The 1-inch sensor alone could justify the price for low-light specialists, while the mechanical shutter and variable aperture cater to a niche but passionate audience. However, the hype falters when considering the broader market. Casual users and newcomers might find the Air 4 overkill, especially with capable alternatives like the Mini 4 Pro or Mavic 4 Pro available. And while DJI's iterative approach ensures reliability, it risks leaving innovators craving bolder leaps. Think hybrid designs or modular payloads. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.